Somewhere in the mountains outside of Medellín lies Colombia's most famous destination. A town of colour, history and a massive rock rising out of the landscape. It's also a place we've heard about because of its connection to Pablo Escobar, and today we're going to see it for ourselves. Good morning, or should I say buenos dias, from a beautiful Medellín. And this morning we have been up since 5:30 and we're going on a tour. We're going to, Blaze, where are we off to? Guatapé, which is meant to be a really beautiful town. We're doing a boat tour, walking around, climbing up some rocks, so it should be good fun. But it's currently a 6:45 meet at some church for the bus. So we're currently walking there now. We have booked onto one of the most popular tours in Colombia. And before we made it to Guatapé, we stopped for a traditional Colombian breakfast. Towering over Guatapé, the giant granite rock has become one of Colombia's most iconic landmarks. And we were about to find out if the 700-step journey to the top was really worth it. That's a lovely view, isn't it?
Yeah, stunning.
$700 steps to go.
No, it's probably about 6.
Oh, have we just done 100? That was quick.
Oh. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yeah, mate, look at this view. Yeah, let's go. How many more steps we got left?
When it gets to 350, we're halfway, and that's there. Halfway.
Hence the sweaty face and the out of breath panting. We have made it 700 flight of stairs.
That was harder than I thought it was going to be.
Much harder. I sort of joked at the beginning that we could run it, but good, it's not normal steps, they are steep. But this view, this area, look at it. It's absolutely stunning. Actually could be one of the most prettiest lakes I've ever seen.
Do you know what? I was actually going to say the same.
Yeah. I'll just look at over there. Imagine having a house on this lake.
With a boat.
With a boat, there's some jet skis flying around. Yeah, it'd be amazing. Blaze, you thought you finished it?
Yeah.
Continue.
No way.
We've not finished it.
Please say that's it now.
Now we stop for an ice cream and a beer, hey? Cheers. And we're just taking pictures and I've been stung by something. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera. Thank God I've had that yellow fever vaccine.
You're not covered until for 10 days.
Oh, I hope it's not yellow fever then. And that's it. Alright, welcome to Guatapé. We have just got here. And fun fact, it is a legal requirement by the government that the houses must be painted and have a design on. And the designs have to be unique. If they're not unique, you have to change it. And the only reason you can have a matching pattern is if it's a family pattern. But yeah, it's really beautiful. Oh, there's a guy painting here. So our first stop is to go and find the street with all the umbrellas. Apparently, if you're not taking a picture there, you didn't come. When I get that, I can imagine it's very TikTok-y. But yeah, these streets are very beautiful. Here we go. Found it.
Oh, that is amazing.
Go on, Blaze. Wow. The dogs are all just waiting for the butchers, but this one's actually got a bit of a hot cut. That is so funny. So we've just got to the church, and apparently it's good luck if you step in with your right foot forward, and you have to use the right door. Apparently you make a wish as you walk in, and you might come true, might not. It's worth a try though, isn't it? What do I want to wish for?
I don't know.
I wish for you to like and subscribe.
Con el óleo santo, también llamado óleo de los catecúmenos, lo que le vamos a pedir al Señor en este momento a través
currently a service going on, so we have to be respectful. I think it's a baptism.
Líbranos ahora del pecado original y fortalecidos con la gracia de Cristo, guárdanos a lo largo del camino de la vida.
So there was some sort of baptism going on in there, or a christening. But yeah, so we've done the two main things that you must do in the town. What's next?
I don't know, just wander around.
Wander around, buy a souvenir and find a beer. City tour.
Parque, centro de Guatapé.
Ah, Central Guatapé.
Iglesia.
Uh-huh.
Iglesia. Iglesia. Pueblo fundado.
Just had a picture at the sign.
There we go, the tuk-tuk is now finished. Do you know what? Well worth 25,000 Colombian pesos, you know, £7 roughly. And yeah, we went around the town. We definitely wouldn't have walked as far as he took us, so that was good. He didn't speak a word of English and I didn't speak a word of Spanish, so I didn't really understand the tour. He just kept shouting the same thing. but yeah, it was good fun. Not been in a tuk-tuk before. And now we're walking down another nice street with like you know, flowers on the roof. Yeah, really pretty town. After lunch, we headed out onto the lake for a boat tour. Despite how natural this looks, the entire lake is actually created when the valley was flooded with a hydroelectric dam. Gracias. One of the reasons we've heard so much about this town is because of Pablo Escobar had a house here, and while it was long gone, we still got to see what remains. Come for a toilet stop at some llama farm, and you can just go and walk around and touch them. What on earth is going on? It's just like a horse in the restaurant.
María Antonia Mejía y su familia, vamos a dar un fuerte aplauso.
I can't get over that.
Oh, there's another baby one over here. And there's more animals. Wow. And that brings our tour of Colombia's most touristy town to an end. I'll leave a link for the tour below. But next week, we're seeing how much we can fit into a 10-hour layover in Panama City. Hey!